Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you Asus gaming laptop Tuf F16 the model number. This is the box of the unit and you can see the specification. Intel Core i7 14 generations, 32GB memory, 1TB SSD and RTX graphic card. The full details I'm going to mention in the description and price. This is the design of the laptop. 16-inch screen, webcam, and you can see Thunderbolt. There are two Thunderbolt and power button and keyboard with RGB backlight. The multiple color you can set it up. This is the power adapter model number and specification, 20 voltage and 14 ampere, 280 watts. This is the pin for the power adapter. It's a different one, not type C and not USB, like small USB type. An Ethernet port it has. This is the design of the unit, backside design. Gaming laptop Asus Tuf. These are the connection it has: power port, Ethernet port, HDMI and 2 of Thunderbolt port, 1 USB port and USB combo jack, and you can see other side 2 USB ports are there, so total 3 USB port. This is the backside design. You can see the small indication backside. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. This is the only brief look in this video of this model. The full details I'm going to mention in the description. It's i7 14 generation processor. You can see RGB backlight keyboard. The colors you can set on the setting. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.